is what we value. And I'll be enough what I've been up to. And it'll be a long time. Fuck off, Kanye. Right, so as you can see, iPhone. So the iPhone SE second generation, and obviously Tesco Mobile. This is where we got it from. I got it for my mum. The iPhone 7 is a bit shit. This was a really good deal. Trust me, guys. If you're ever looking for a cheap, brand new iPhone, the chips in these, even from the iPhone 10 onwards, are fine. They are brilliant. You don't need the newest processor, and this is just the one before the newest one. So it's still new. It only came out last year, and trust me, guys, this phone is sick. If it wasn't for the fact that it just looked like a design that I'm just not a fan of, I would have copped this instead of the 10. But the 10's just a bit different, and to be honest, I just wanted a bigger screen. So this is why I don't have this, and I paid similar price for the 10. However, battery will be amazing. Battery will be decent. The camera, I think it may be the same as the 8. I don't think Apple ever disclosed that. It's just a brilliant phone, and you can see the new packaging as well, with that sort of gradient there, iPhone. I think it's flipped that footage, but oh well. Apple logo, it's all in the red, and I don't know, I doubt the stickers will be in red. I've never seen an unboxing of these, really. Yeah, iPhone, let's just jump right into it. So, as with all the new stuff, I think since the 7, rather than having to open it yourself, have a little pulley tab here. Fucking hell. There's little things here, and then you just tick. Oh my god, I have not unboxed a new iPhone in ages. Oh my god. I always love unboxing Apple products. They're just, something about it is just amazing. Also, if you're new to the channel, click that like and subscribe button. Yo, that was clean. Speaking of clean, yo. Right, we'll put that to one side. I'm loving the red. The red is clean as fuck. It's not this, it looks like coral on the camera feed. However, it's a much richer red. Yeah, it doesn't look exactly the same as it does on camera, but the aluminium is clean as fuck. And instead of it going to AIDS research, I think since last year, product red products have been going to COVID-19 research. So, yay. Oh, we have problem. Mum, so this must have come with the, I'm guessing, the packaging of this changed once we got the new 12 stuff, because I doubt people who are buying a budget phone are going to have a USB-C. So I'll have to sort that one out. Sorry for background noise. If I was being smart doing it in the morning. Anyway, let's look at all the product, the paper, signed by Apple in California. Product red, we have one Apple sticker. The new iMacs come with 2, just some more jargon. SIM ejector, we'll be using that. Probably not, well, in fact, no, we won't because I've got my own. So we'll put that down there. And we have the hello startup guide, and then just product red, in partnership with Red. So it says HIV/AIDS program, however, on the site, it says it's going towards, what is it? COVID-19. Sorry, my brain just went there. So fingers crossed there's still some power in here. But otherwise I'll just put on charge and then do the rest of the video later. Oh, so it's at the back, right. Okay, right. 3, 2, are you ready for this, guys? Look at that. I don't care what anyone says. This design is based, but it's sick. Yo! I'm probably just gonna nice my mum out with a USB-C cable. Sorry, I keep on going up here. I want to keep it down here. Because she definitely doesn't have anything USB-C. Right, so home to open. So this does not have 3D touch. None of the new phones do. It does not have, no, it does have wireless charging. It doesn't come with a headphone jack in the box. Mad. Right, so English, United Kingdom. Oh, so this is a new setup. They've got the new icons. Didn't notice that. Quick start. Bear with me. Right, so basically, I've got my mum's old 7 here. I did an unboxing video of that when it first came out. But that was back when they didn't actually have the normal iPhone boxes. They just had white ones, which is weird. I never understood that. Right, so if we just unlock to continue. Mum, what's your password? So, here we go. We do that here. I've never done this setup before. So it's similar to the Apple Watch. So what this is basically doing is putting literally everything in terms of apps, in terms of background, in terms of everything from the old phone to the new one. So it's as if you haven't changed your phone at all. I think that's kind of sick. So what I'm going to do is just keep this all here. Set up Touch ID later because it's not going to be my phone. However, this is a sick phone. I'm actually tempted to get this. However, I do also want the 12 mini because I love the SE. So the conditions, we'll just do that because I'm not going to be here. Continue, enable. I love the new pop-up animations. They are amazing. So I'll pay Siri later. So it won't let you get access to the phone until fucking you've updated. Mad. Right, so if I just put that on charge and then keep that there, it should just all do its own thing. It's already connected to the Wi-Fi because we did the thing with the phone, with the other phone. We'll just put that on charge. Brilliant. Interesting. Right, I'll be back, guys.
She hasn't used it. It's in her fucking drawer. Nah, I'm sick of this, man. I'm sick of this. I sought out an iPhone SE, which I believe will be. Basically, she hasn't used it. The most she's used it for is to set up an Echo Dot, and all she's playing is Ministry of Sound Club Classics 2002. What? And she's using my car for her cleaning stuff, yet she can't seem to clean the dirty